Alrighty, guys, let's talk about KULR. I usually do weekly updates on it. I love this stock a lot. So everything's kind of been the same since the past month for this stock. It really has not done much. But, if you look at the weekly chart here, if you kept playing this consolidation zone, you're making big money too at the same time. Yeah, you're not going to new highs, you're not going to new lows. It's just been in this consolidation zone. Let me show you guys, for example, from this low here to this high on this weekly chart, you're making 49%. We take the next low, from this low to here to this next week is a nice 20%. And then from this week to this high is a 43%. They're making really nice returns in this consolidation zone. As you can see on this, we'll draw a horizontal line right here, horizontal line right here. Clearly, it's in a range. We all can see that up and down, up and down. Price gets to this, price gets to this high, it resists. Price gets to this low of support, gets close, it resists. Another resistance I can easily show is this EMA 5. Price gets slightly above it and it goes away. There has never been a body of a candle close above this weekly EMA 5. I love looking at weekly charts. It gives me the better picture. Sometimes it can come really super duper close, like this one right here. And then go down, or it can go above it and then go down. So currently price is currently just staying in this range here. There is a lot of sell volume, as you can see, as the upper wicks are big. What I'm looking to do here, I don't know if it's going to happen, but what I think is going to happen first is this EMA 20 is going to gradually come up to this support zone, all right? And that's going to be really nice because that's where I usually look to take my trades. My best entries are the weekly EMA 20 and then obviously this light blue band, which is a EMA 50. And if you follow this strategy, I played KUL before and we made massive money in the Discord, all right? It was really nice. It was really nice gains and everything. We can clearly see this is an uptrend stock. Easiest way to see it is EMA 50 is at the very bottom. And when you touch these Keltner channels on a weekly chart, it's extremely bullish. I'm telling you, I do not see much stocks that do this, okay? When I played it before last time, I played it on the daily EMA 50. Right in here, we had strong support when it touched it, and we moved up pretty fast. The next day, it moved up 52% from this low here to this high, and you better believe it, I took those gains. It came back to this EMA 50, bounced again, back to the 50, bounced a little, went a little below it, but it was meeting this support line, and then it went back up again. So that's your daily chart. Everything looks really bullish. I don't see anything to panic on this. Even the monthly chart is starting to get this EMA 50 at the bottom. They're in the right business. I like what they're doing. I was reading up some of the stuff. Period 2 KLR's recent short interest. I like everything like they're doing. I think Bitcoin is definitely the way to go here. They expand their Bitcoin holdings to 610 Bitcoin. This is pretty good, right? I like that about that. And that's really going to make it go up a lot. Honestly, if you look at the chart, and you see something like this alone will tell you the story of the stock. This will tell you, is this a pump and dump stock? And the answer is no. This was just overextension. Even the biggest stocks in the world, if they do this, they cannot sustain this area. This is a weekly chart going way above this upper Keltner channel. No one should be buying up in here. Where you look to buy is price to come back to your EMAs, which act as Fibonacci retracements, right? When price goes all the way up, and then when you retrace back down, that's where you get the new bulls. I'm not a bull up in these areas. I'm a bull when price comes to these crucial EMAs. My most favorite ones are the EMA 20 and the 50. I love the daily EMA 50. If I see this where it skips the 20, it goes straight to the 50, I will take that bounce effect, all right? And then if it goes a little further down, like as you see right in here, I will buy more at this EMA 20, all right? So I like to, another indicator that this stock is really good is look at options. Any stock that has options, a lot of these crap penny stocks don't even near have this. Not even some big caps have this. This has options every week. So there's a lot of demand in this stock. This right here alone tells me this is a really good company, all right? Options, big money's in it. Market makers like it. They're selling options on here. And worst case scenario, I could probably do some cover calls if I want, But That's for a whole new discussion. If you're in the Discord, you know how I do that. I love that strategy. It's awesome. So first target is the EMA 20 coming into this bottom support zone. Let's wait for price to come back here. Obviously, this is a pretty big channel, right? From this low to this high of the channel is a 52%, 53% gain. So if you buy it at the top of this channel, you can get wrecked. So let's wait for this bottom channel, which is at 1.81. The EMA 20 on the weekly is 174. This is going up about 4 cents. So the next week, this is going to probably be right here at this bottom channel. And then obviously your next big support is way down here. I don't think it breaks through that because we never touched this EMA 20. We never touched it one time. So I think if we get them anywhere close to this, you better believe it, I'm buying into it, all right? Price will touch your EMAs. That's a guarantee. And that's why I don't have no FOMO. I'll be like, hey, I got to buy KUR. It's pumping already. And then we go from 260s all the way back down to 213 and could easily go into 1.80 zone, all right? It is a very volatile stock, even though it's consolidating, it's making pretty good moves. I think this is very bullish. You got this big move up, right, on this weekly channel, right? So you got this big move up, right? And then you kind of have a bull flag, in my opinion, where you're just kind of consolidating. You're coming down here, consolidating, and what we want to see is break out and maybe make new highs. It doesn't even have to make new highs. It could just, just retrace to this upper candle at $4 be insane. But I try to tell everyone, I can give you, guys, really nice entries. I can give you all that. But if you don't take the profits, this is what could happen. It can go up and then it could come back down. It can go up and come back down. Always take the profits. I recommend 10%. I know you guys would be like, well, that's barely nothing. What I've been doing is I've been taking those base hits and then I trail and stop it. Like you could take out something. It could be 50% of your shares at 10%. I usually do 80%. And then I put my rest of my shares at break even where there's no worry. All right. If KUR goes down like this, you're like, okay, no big deal. I already locked it in. I'll get another entry now. I'll wait for another entry, and that's how I like to play it. KULR is by far one of my best stocks under $5. It is the best stock at $2 right now. It's affordable. It can make massive moves. It's got the volatility. It's in a nice consolidation zone. It's just going to take time to get out. It's taking forever. And longer the consolidation, the bigger the accumulation, the bigger the pump we can have. So save this chart here. It looks really good. EMA 20. I'm in. I'm going to let you guys know in the Discord. Definitely join the Discord, guys. I think you guys are going to love it. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. And when you click that link, it'll take this free chat landing page. And I've been harping out everyone and I'm telling everyone I am going to increase the price here very soon. I'm getting thousands of members. A lot of people liking it. A lot of people I've been mentoring ship. A lot of people I've been doing that one-on-one coaching. I do live streams. I'm doing a lot. And as the crowd is getting bigger, I'm kind of running out of time, and I really want a lot of the serious traders coming in, all right? Obviously, if you pay some money, you're going to want to learn the strategy. You're going to watch my education videos. You're not just going to want to get hands-fed, and obviously, I give you guys alerts, my entries and exits, but the more purpose of this service is education. I firmly believe if you have the knowledge, you will be a successful trader, and you apply that. And instead of just, what's the price target for this? What's going to happen there? You can clearly see, okay, we have support resistance. It's an upturn stock. We hit a Keltner channel. That's super bullish, right? We hit this upper Keltner channel, and then it comes back down, and we see all this. But it's nice to be a part of a community. If you guys want to join, you can lock in a lifetime discount. As long as you have the service, as long as you're a part of the community, your discount will never go away. It will be $12 a month if you click on day trade alerts right here. And not only will you get my swing trades, you'll also get my day trade service. You'll get 2 services for the price of $12 a month. My day trading service is absolute my favorite. I don't have time to discuss it here, but I will give you all the education in this day trading education here that you can learn all my strategies on how to be a successful trader. And if I've been doing this full time, you better believe it works. Obviously, my results aren't going to be the same as yours, but because you might you might have proper risk management, you might not take a stop loss when I tell you guys to. So the best thing to do is get the experience. You see the strategy, it works. It's I've been making lots of money in the swing trade alerts, lots and lots and lots of profits being made. I tell you guys exactly what I'm taking, why I'm taking it, and all of that. So if you have day trade alerts, subscribe on your computer. You'll get rid of the iOS fee, and it's only 12 bucks a month. I'm telling you, you're not gonna want to miss out this because it could be coming the next couple weeks or so. I'm planning on upping it. It could be as high as $50 because its service is insane. All right, for how much time I'm putting into it, I'm going to make sure you guys understand this. You're not going to be left alone. You're going to understand this strategy, and you're going to make some money. All right. So KULR, one of my most favorite $2 stocks. If you just subscribe, get in now, lock it in the discount. You guys going to love it. I've made massive money on this one before, over 50% gains, and I'm looking to make more money again on this stock. All right, and you'll get alerted to your phone when I get in. And then if you haven't or enjoyed Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer because they're having issues with that. So always subscribe on your computer. You avoid the iOS fee. All right, that's my analysis for KULR. It's one of my most favorite. I think they're doing the right thing, investing in Bitcoin, and this consolidation is going to be a big move up soon. Maybe next week it does it. We'll see. All right, guys, happy trading, and I'll see you in the Discord.